Balanced demand and capacity. 100% capacity utilization. The beautiful ideal. Zero waste, maximum output, perfect efficiency. Or is it actually the path to destroying your operations, infuriating your customers with long, unpredictable lead times and terrible consequences for your customer delivery and experience? It's not so simple. Through pricing and capacity choices, we can choose what percentage of our capacity we want to be utilised during standard times. Higher prices reduce overall demand, and hiring more people, buying more machines and equipment, improving processes are the typical methods of increasing operational capacity. Non-profit organisations, or those that do not charge their customers money, of course they have different tools to limit demand, although typically less freedom to increase their capacity working within constrained budgets, but planned capacity utilisation choices remain the same. The big choice is what level of capacity utilisation should we plan for? 100%? 90%? 50%? Or much less, doing nothing most of the time? For many operations, doing just that is a key part of their competitive advantage, or essential for them to do their role. Utilising 100% of your capacity does mean maximum output. That is maximum efficiency and lowest cost per unit, and it can be the standard operating model. But in a world of variation of demand, variation of processing, variation of capacity, a reality for everyone, in a world with variation, 100% capacity utilization has a big trade-off consequence with lead times, waiting times, queues, inventory costs, and customer satisfaction.